What's up guys, this is your not so famous Shashwat Darak, and in this video I am going to do something very crazy. I have never even done this thing off camera. This is the first time I am doing this and I am recording it. So I'll be using cheesy pickup lines which I found from Google and use them on girls. These girls don't even know that I am going to call them. Some girls I have known previously, some I recently met. I haven't even talked to some of them yet. All I know is that their reaction will be 100% genuine. For all I know, I might just end up getting blocked. I don't know what's going to happen, neither do you. So watch the video till the very end because you don't want to miss this video. Subscribe to the channel because I'm going to keep making videos like these. And well, let's start our first call. Hope it goes well. So the first person whom I'm going to call is a friend of mine. We have been talking since quite some time now, and she has no idea I'm going to call. I'm so scared. I don't even know whether she'll pick up or not. I'm like really scared, but let's just get it done with. Okay, I'm going to call. If she doesn't pick up, in the next 3 seconds I'm hanging up. So as you can see, we are off to a very great start. I mean, I wanted this to happen. This is what I was waiting for. But I'm kind of relieved, because she didn't pick up. I don't know, I would have just fumbled or I wouldn't even have remembered my line. That is scary. I don't even know whether to continue with this video at this point or not. But okay, let's try another call. Let's see what happens. So call 2. I hope this one picks up. So this girl, I've met her once. We chat sometimes, and let's see what happens. So scared.
Hello.
Hi, this is Shashwat.
Yeah, what happened?
Listen, just answer my one question now. Are you free?
Yeah, I am. What happened?
Did it hurt when you fell from heaven?
What?
Did it hurt when you fell from heaven? It's a question. Answer my question.
No, I guess.
Okay, so I'm recording that next video which I was talking about, and you are the first person. So if a guy uses this pickup line, your lecture is on right now. Your lecture is on right now.
No, very clear.
So what would you say if a guy uses this pickup line? What would your answer be? Yes or no? Would you go on a date with him?
I think he's calling me an angel because he just called me as well.
So would you or would you not? Maybe. So yes, this pickup line works. Keep that in mind. Thank you. I'll call you back. Thank you. Oh my god. The next person whom I'm going to call, I have been with her since a very long time. We have met a lot of times. We talk almost every other day. So I guess I won't be that nervous around her. But let's see what happens. I'm going to call her. Let's see whether she answers or not. I'm just going to do it. Hi.
Hello?
Are you free?
You don't know what?
I don't want to know what. Just answer my question. Are you free?
No, that I won't answer.
Just answer one question now.
No, first say you know what?
Okay, what?
I was just going to call you myself.
Oh, that's amazing. But now answer my question. Are you a magician? Hello? Are you a magician? Just say yes or no. Girls can be so stubborn. No, because whenever I look at you, everyone else just disappears.
I knew this was coming.
So if a guy uses this pickup line on you, what would your answer be? Would you go on a date with him? Yes or no?
He will be in front of me. I will walk away. I will turn the other side away from him and I will walk away. I will not look back.
Okay, this was really helpful. Thanks. I'll give you a call at night maybe. Okay, bye. Okay. Girls just love to talk. They won't listen anything you have to say. But yes, this line won't forget. So the next one, we have talked quite a lot of times again, and I'm going to call her. I guess she will pick up. She usually does. I always get nervous. Pick up.
Hello.
Listen, I just have one question for you. Are you free?
How long?
It will hardly take a minute.
Yeah. Tell me.
Listen, by any chance, do you have an extra heart? Because you stole mine.
Are you okay? You okay?
What would you say if a guy uses this pickup line? What would your answer be? Would you go on a date with him? Yes or no?
Yeah. Is this for your YouTube video?
Okay, she's smart. Yes, it is.
Okay.
Okay, but what would your answer be? Yes or no?
I mean, you can do better.
Okay, you can do better. Okay, thank you. I'll give you a call after some time. Remember the first girl? She's calling back, so I'm going to answer the call. I just have one question to ask. Are you free?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Are you Google?
Uh-huh.
Because you have everything I've been searching for. How was it?
It was good.
Uh-huh. So if a guy uses this for you, would you go on a date with him? Will it be a yes or a no?
I think some more should come along with the same.
Okay, so you want
See, I won't fall.
so you want more pickup lines.
Yeah.
Are you religious?
Uh-huh.
Cause you are the answer to all my prayers.
Ooh. Oh my.
So now, would you fall for this guy?
This is nice.
So would you fall for this guy?
I think so. I don't know. Yeah, I probably would because I've never heard these before.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she would fall for this line. Okay, thanks. Can I call after 5 minutes?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, thanks. So, one pickup line won't do. You need to have like 2-3 in mind. The last girl whom I talked to, she's like so supportive. Whenever I feel down because of my views not increasing or my subscribers not increasing, she always motivates me to keep making videos. So just a big thank you to her and to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, who watched my videos, who let me know how was my video, who give feedback. It genuinely means the world to me. You have no idea how good I feel when people actually tell that they liked my video, that they laughed after watching my video, and my video was informative. It means a lot to me. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so right now because I upload a video every week. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up below, it will mean a lot. And let's do another call because why not? I'm very excited for this one, and you will know the reason after I call her. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. फ्री है तू?
हाँ.
सुन ना, मुझे तुझसे कुछ पूछना था.
हाँ पूछ.
क्या तू अभी माइक्रोवेव से बाहर आई है?
क्या?
तू क्या अभी माइक्रोवेव से बाहर आई है? क्योंकि तू काफी हॉट है. अगर कोई लड़का ये ऐसी लाइन यूज करता तो तू उसके साथ डेट पे जाती? हाँ या ना?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
क्यों?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
क्यों?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
क्यों? अच्छी तो लाइन थी.
बहुत बेकार थी.
So this girl also sings and she sings beautifully. She has got an amazing voice. You will hear for yourself. So while we were talking, I asked her to sing something and she did, and I recorded it. And I want you guys to hear this. Go to a silent place or plug in your earphones because just listen to this and you'll know what I'm talking about. told you, didn't I tell you? Her voice, I'm such a big fan of her voice, to be honest. And she's so shy. I have been asking her to upload stuff on Instagram or even create her own YouTube channel for that matter. But she just won't listen. I must have told her like a million times now. But I'm telling you, the day I convince her to create her own channel or start posting stuff on Instagram, this is the first place you'll hear it from. Because she sings beautifully. And let me know down in the comments, how did you find her voice, how did you like it, and help me convince her to start posting stuff. And one last call. Okay, so I'm like genuinely scared for this one, because firstly, I have never talked to her. We have just chatted a few times. Secondly, she's not even from Mumbai, she's from Pune, and I am literally going to make my first impression on her. I don't know why I'm doing this. I am like genuinely scared, guys. You need to like this video, because the risk I am taking for you. I think she's going to block me, but she's from Pune, she is not from Mumbai, and I'm just going to do it. I have the pickup line ready. Okay, let's go. Calling her. This is going to be so awkward. This is the first time I'm talking to her, literally.
Hello?
Hi, this is
Hi.
Shashwat. I was going to call you.
Yeah, I know. I saw your message.
Yeah, so I just have one question to ask. Are you free?
Yeah, I am free.
You must be tired, right? Are you tired?
Actually, I'm not tired, but
No, because you have been running on my mind all day long.
oh my god!
Shit, oh my god, you have no idea how I just feel happy, because I have been wanting to do this in so long and I finally did it.
Oh my god.
So if a guy uses this line on you, what would you go on a date with him?
With whom?
If a guy uses this line on you, any guy.
Yeah, maybe.
So you liked this line.
Yeah, I know.
Before calling, I was like so sure that you are going to block me, because literally this is the first time.
I won't do that. No, I'm not that mean.
No, because literally this is the first time we are talking, and this is the first time you're talking to me, and this isn't like a good first impression, I guess. Using a cheesy pickup line.
It's cute. Not that bad.
It's cute. Oh my god, thanks. So you know what? Can I give you a call after 2 minutes?
Yeah, sure. No issue.
Okay. Thanks a lot for this. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Oh my god, she's so sweet. Guys, this was literally the first time I'm talking to her. Okay, you know what? Like this video, drop your comments, and I'll make a part 2. How does that sound? I genuinely want to make a part 2, provided you want to watch it. I'll do it. I genuinely want to do it. I hope you want to see it. So drop your comments, tell me whether you want a part 2 of this or not. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. So I hope you in fact liked this video. And I have a pickup line for each one of you watching this. Yes, for you. All those people who are watching this right now. Are you loose motion? Because I just can't hold in my love for you guys. I hope you genuinely like this video. I want to make a part 2. Drop your comments, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. It will mean a lot to me, and that's the only thing that keeps driving me, keeps motivating me to make more videos for you guys. I hope you all are safe. Shashwat Darak signing off.